Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, let's just unpack the case kaJocelyn what unfolded. Uyambona usisters lo Lorraine Lombard. Kuke kwashiwo kwathiwa lo muntu izinto zakhe they not right. They not make sure. So I'm just like, hayibo usisi, as I couldn't believe it lo wenza kanje. Kukuthi bebehlaka the other day yena noStefano. I'm like, ungani kaBhuta and Kelly. I love the judge. Oh, this judge, Nkosam, mhlambe yazi bekufanele vele izina la kusenzo meyo. Ngimona ngathi zokhetha yona. Ngeke phela. But angithi decided. Kusisa JP phela judge president. Oh, he's like the best. Like yazi unjani? He's very calm. I like that about him. Agarasi, akabanga umsindo, ubhalela ama notes akhe. The only thing nje uyagivana futhi. Ubatshela way to get off defense and the states akakhethi futhi at the time ngoba vele fanele ube partial. You can't just nje wena uthatha ama side. You understand? You cannot be taking sides. And uyabona manje indlela ekubhede ngayo kusisi lo uLombard, who was carried out of court, guys. Ese umuntu owayo oqulekayo one-stress. But I guess at the end of the day, this thing is very strenuous. But stop lying. Into zakho fanele zibe consistent. You cannot today ukhuluma into, kusasa ukhuluma into. Wathi uJudge Erasmus sisi uthini wena? 4 times uthi manje you've made a mistake. You cannot make mistake 4 times. Last week usho enye into. Were you ngifuna ukuyazi ukuthi were you with your children in the morning or not? Phela into engifuna ukuyazi. And manje it also turns out engathi nalezi zinyede ezisho ukuthi usisters bethatha idakamizwa OM idakamizwa no-T leza debe bema bonke. Engathi manje okunye it's not make sure ukuthi wow she was saying ukuthi uKelly Smith was taking idakamizwa iyobisi. Engathi manje kuthiwa okunye angathi akulona iqiniso. Uyabona? The problem, you can't say something last week Thursday, today you slightly change it, Monday you and Erasmus uyamfundela from his notes. It's like, you know what, you said this Monday, you said this last week Thursday. Guys, were you with your children now? Pell in that morning of the 18th of February last year. But I guess, guys, like it's exactly how it's happening on the Zomewa case. It's been too long. But I guess until last year. But mhlawumbe ungakhohlwa ama dates. But kushiwo kwathi is not make sure. He was carried out of court. He court had to adjourn today early. And then Judge Erasmus waze washo ukuthi hayi i-witness is being treated akasekho right ngoba vele he was carried lo muntu lo busequtshiliwe kaze he couldn't even stand up. I was just like, she couldn't even stand up. I was just like, hayibo kwenzakalani, you know. Bese kube lesi story futhi in the Eastern Cape sanesethu Gauzela, who was actually deleted by a boyfriend besebenza together as nurses. Yezwa umuntu assault ingane una 25 ayibulali, and then now he wants the bail, and then they were like, no, there's no bail. You know how it's gonna be. So his bail was actually denied. So ANC Women's League was just enjoy talking outside. You know how it is. It's not gonna happen, guys. That's the first thing. So we're not going to give you bail. Yo, guys, lesi story sibuhlungu kabi. Umama ekhuluma we-ANC outside court ukuthi, you know what, this guy yebo unayi right yokuthola i-bail, but he is not gonna get bail, this guy. Even if he does get bail or he doesn't, bona for them, they want justice for Thusi because she had just started working as a nurse, and she's the only one Gubo who actually finished school, and she was going to give light to her family. Ebilala ngamanzi behlupheka kupho, umuntu ubhizi uthi uyayithanda ingane uyayihlukumeza emsebenzini ngoba apparently they were working together even at work. They were both nurses, like I said. Now he was saying ukuthi ene he did help the family with 15,000 for the funeral. Apparently the funeral is actually this coming Saturday. And he also stated on the letter basically that he wrote, his lawyer was actually reading it out ukuthi he's asking cause manje ney'ngane zakhe zizosafara. I know, they were like, no. Because he has 2 children, this guy. Not with Nesethu anyways, I'm sure from somewhere else. They were like, no, there's nothing like that. It's not gonna happen. He's going to stay in jail for the whole process trial. It's not going to happen ukuthi athole i-bail. Or should I say he didn't think this through properly. Yazi ukuthi abantu benza izinto without thinking. Athi uremorsefully uyaxolisa. Ay guys, abanye abantu they don't think, eh? Now his career now is down the drain. He doesn't think this guy. So guys, it ends there ngoba baxolile Masiza was denied bail. Hayi but wenza into ebuhlungu this guy. Yo, ibuhlungu kabi lento ayenzile. Yeah, so ngizoke ngime lapho guys ngalezi iy'tori ezikanjena. Hayi ezinye iy'tori just too heartbreaking nalesi saJocelyn. Thank you so much guys for your support. Nginithanda over.